we'll see complete flow again. First, we need to install node.js based on our OS. Set the path variables in the environment variable, system environment variables. Second, install Visual Studio Code where we write JavaScript code based on the if is our OS is Windows based Visual Studio Code, we need to install, and either 64 or 32 bit. Third, create package.json by giving the below commands. First, we need to create folder, make directory mkdir project name, and then with that line folder will create cd cypress project. So Cypress run is will run the scripts in the headless mode. In test run in Terminator we run this command, but it will not open any browser. It will just directly execute the script without opening the browser when we give Cypress run. When you want to execute in browser, that time we need to give Cypress run -headed, step number 8. So it means headed means it will open browser and run the script. By default it will execute in Electron browser. When you want to execute scripts in specifically any browser, so that time we need to give Cypress run -browser Chrome, step number 9. So this is the folder structure. It contains Cypress fixture integration. In integration we write all our code. Fixture, where do we keep our data. Next, plugins, here we set when we wanted to set browser to full screen, so such type of things like to inject some customized options to browser to accept some certifications, browser notifications before invoke the browser. We give those steps in plugin. So before invoke the browser, these kind of actions we need to perform. It's like a event, Cypress events. These plugins are like kind of listeners to handle Cypress events. Next one is support. In support, we write customized commands or reusable methods. So here we write customized or reusable methods. No need to create object initialization. So we can directly write the methods in this support folder. Next one is video. So once our test is executed, it will show in this folder will show the videos. Next one, node modules. Node modules, it will automatically create when we give that command npm I install. Next, cypress.json. In Cypress we have some default configuration setting, execution time, command to visible element. We set some fixture folders in the configuration. When we want to override those commands, we write here Cypress JSON. So it will automatically, whenever we change Cypress JSON, it will automatically update in the configuration file. This is the configuration file where we can find in the test runner. The configuration default time is like default command timeout 4 seconds. When we want to give more than 4 seconds, like 6 seconds, when we update in the cypress.json, here it will update automatically. So those Support folder path also you can give here to write methods in different folder. That path also we can give here. Those changes, if we want to change these default settings to customized, you can do in the Cypress JSON.